This is the most important system you need to use. What the Visit Global Blue VIP Lounge in Barcelona. What could you expect here? Where to refund in the airport? And how's the procedure? Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Hi Barcelona, if you are traveling to Europe, you shouldn't miss the benefits of tax refund. But do you know how to do it? As always, before we dive into this topic, let me share how I got here. I flew in from Paris, experienced one of the best domestic French home-based Air France lounges, enjoyed amazing interior design and decent food selections. It was a common economy class trip, but my luggage got delayed, and I missed the car rental company's office hours. If you are interested in the story, check the link below. Today, I'm sharing about both VIP tax refund experiences, not very common but interesting to know, and the airport tax refund that every one of you should know. There's no clear rule on how much you spend to get an invitation. I got an offer after spending 2,000 euros in YSL. It is located on the Passeig de Gracia, the most famous and luxurious shopping avenue in Barcelona. And let's check it out. To be frank, it is very hard to find this place, since there's no clear sign outside. The Global Blue Lounge is on the first floor. However, it wasn't walking friendly. I recommend taking a lift. After showing the invitation, I've been led to a lounge alone. It's a cozy place with air conditioning and free Wi-Fi. While waiting, the staff took all my invoices, and then I just wait. Anything else? No. I was expecting snacks or drinks or anything special in the lounge. Unfortunately, nothing. But at least I got a cozy place and connected Wi-Fi to book my next Uber. Finally, use a free clean toilet in the lounge. Did I get cash back into my pocket? No, since I still need to scan a document in Barcelona Airport, and a custom officer may still do random check-ins. It's refreshing to visit here for the first time, but I'm not really sure the purpose of this lounge. If you know, leave your comments below. I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future. Now let's move to Barcelona Airport Terminal 1. Firstly, the tax refund office is located at the left inner corner of the departure hall, and I don't even need to have the boarding pass with me. Amazing, right? Just prepare the e-ticket in case the officer checks. Take all your documents and find the DIV self-service terminal. And don't worry, there will be a staff member to guide you if you are not sure what to do. After scanning, a green check means you don't need to go to the custom officer. And I got few crosses, which means I need to show the products I bought. But no need to worry, the VAT office is just right next to the self-refund terminal. Super convenient. Just show it to the officers if they ask. Finally, if you'd like to refund in cash, you may need an extra queue and pay some handling charges. Or just refund the full amount back to the credit card. Then simply put the e-approval document into an envelope with a seal and send it over here. How easy it could be here in Barcelona Airport Terminal 1. Personally, I really appreciate the tax refund procedure and efficiency. Total procedure may just take 10 to 15 minutes, of course depends on the queue. And now I'm prepared to fly. In my next video, I'll show you a true travel hack in Barcelona Airport. Take 9 minutes only passing the security with no queue. Discover a hidden gem lounge and fly European business class to Madrid. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.